Hey guys, Ricardo here. Welcome to another Blog Tech Tips. And of course guys, today I have an unboxing and this is of this particular cable here. And this is a special cable. It's used for devices such as the iPhone. And what this cable does guys is that it allows you to do several stuff out of the box. But before we get into that guys, I want to thank the guys over at ChoeTech for sending this cable for review. Alright, so let's show ChoeTech some love. Go ahead and check out the full review and the link to purchase this cable over on the website. And of course, the type of cable that this is guys, it's a USB Type C to Lightning cable. And as you can see here, there's a nice join on the box here of the Lightning cable, and it does say ChoeTech, who are the producers. You can also see their logo up here, and it also says here ChoeTech, power to the best. And the model here is the IP0036, and you can see a preview through the preview window right here. And down here you see it supports for iPhone, iPod and iPod. Alright, so these are all the main Apple devices. So if you have a Apple iPod or iPod or even the immensely popular iPhone, this will work. And it's 100% original product, meaning it's designed by this team right here, their product. Alright, on the back you can read the information right here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to make sure it's focused on screen so you can actually pause and read at any time. But basically the rundown is, and it shows you a preview up here. And of course the rundown is that this basically is a product that's designed from the ground up to work with Apple products. So it's quite safe. And of course it covers every Apple product that it covers here. And it's quite an extensive list. And it includes a bunch of iPhones along with iPods and so on, iPod mini, you name it. And of course most devices are supported that exists as of making this video, and I'm sure of course it should work for future devices as well. And it says that the interface is USB Type C to Lightning, and the transfer speed, and get this guys, very fast. It can transfer 480 megabytes per second, and of course the cable length is 2 meters. And down here it runs through some information on the device. A USB C Lightning cable, plug and play, no adapter needed, meaning that it's as simple as plugging it in and it will work. Transmission speed, I talked about that earlier, and it's able to sync your data in a fast or a faster speed. Compact and durable design, convenient to carry on the go. And I can attest to this. It's quite easy. You simply just throw it into a pocket, and it's ready to go. And of course I'm going to open this up now guys. Check this out. If you look over here, it's simple as to just open up and slide out the cable. And of course ChoeTech was nice enough to include this slide out or breakout zip tie velcro type strap, and this is just to secure it in place as soon as you remove it. And of course if I just do this, it's easy to be removed. There's nothing else inside of the box. Now of course, being the 2 meter length that it is, it's more than enough length. All right, so as we were saying guys, yes guys, as we were saying, the lightning end is able to connect to an iPhone, and of course this USB Type C end will connect to any USB Type C device. Now just a quick note, USB Type C, like on the Android such as the Galaxy S10, is the new standard. It can be used as a display port, it can be used to transfer power, and of course it can be used to transfer data. So of course the USB Type C is the new type of cable that should be replacing micro or mini, well, micro USB. So of course newer laptops, monitors and so on are coming with this port, and that's why it's supported. So this is mainly for iPhone or iPhone based cable. And let me just find an iPhone here. So all you gotta do guys is, in most cases with the iPhone, is simply just get the end, that is the lightning cable, and simply connect it like that to your iPhone, while on the other end you connect this to a laptop, a monitor or any other device such as your iMac and so on, and you'll be able to transfer data between. I'll be showing you that in a little while, and of course it should work flawlessly. Alright, so here we are guys. Of course this is the cable in action. I've connected to the iPhone and to my laptop that has a USB Type C port, and of course the newer laptops has this port. And as you can see here, the cable does act typically like a similar cable. And once you have the cable, you can simply go into your device. As you can see here, the laptop is connected. Sorry, the phone is connected, and it does say iPhone in my computer, so you can just go in here, and once the device is connected and unlocked, you simply can just go ahead into your device. You can go into internal storage, DCIM, and of course from in here you can view your photos, and of course you can see too it does allow for general data transfer, and this is for the laptop cases. Again, another cool feature I found for this cable is that you can actually use it for power sharing. So if you have a device such as your iPhone, since that the newer iPhones or most iPhones use the lightning cable, you can simply connect it to your iPhone, and once it's connected to your iPhone, go ahead and connect it to a device or any other Android device such as a Samsung Galaxy S10 as seen here. And a cool feature is, other than to connect, you can do data transfer and all of that, you could also use this device as a means of and I'm just gonna clear this error here, and you'll have to allow. This is just typical when you connect a new device to your iPhone. It does detect it, and you have to actually just go ahead and allow. Once allowed, guys, you can actually use it as a power share. So right now, as you see up here, you see the lightning symbol in the corner up here. It does show that I'm actually using the Android device over here and charging the iPhone. So that's another cool usage. So we can just use the power share, used as a power sharing cable. It can be used to transfer data, or like our general data transfer cable between devices. And of course, in some cases, it can also be used as a cool means of like a display cable to transfer the signal. See that the USB Type C port does allow for a variety of flexible uses. All right. So once you know your way around the Android file system or so on, or another iPhone, you could easily, well, around a Android device, you can actually use this and then transfer files between the device and so on. All right. So far, what I like about the cable, guys, is that it's highly portable, it's very flexible, and it's a cool way of utilizing this brand new port in the form of the USB Type C to transfer data, power, and so on. All right, guys. So this has been another tech tip from Blog Tech Tip. Please remember to show the guys over at ChoeTech some love, and of course just check out the full article in case you need to purchase this particular cable that works for best for those who actually have a iPhone. Alright guys, it's Scott Gunner from Blog Tech Tips again saying bye.